This video is about how to fill Form 15G for EPF withdrawal. EPF members, when they are submitting Form 19 to withdraw their EPF amount, then they will see an option called Upload Form 15G. But not everyone needs to submit Form 15G. Form 15G should be submitted only when the PF amount is above 50,000 rupees but the service is 5 years. In case the PF amount is less than 50,000 rupees or service is over 5 years, then the PF member don't need to submit Form 15G. What happens in case an eligible EPF member doesn't submit Form 15G? In that case, 34% TDS will be deducted. In case PAN number is also not linked to the PF account. If PAN number is linked to the PF account but the PF member doesn't submit Form 15G, in that case 10% TDS will be deducted. In some cases, instead of deducting the TDS amount, the PF department will reject the claim and ask to submit the PF claim again by uploading the Form 15G. The Form 15G will look like this. It has two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. EPF member needs to fill only the Part 1. That means only the page 1. There is no need to fill the Part 2. This is an editable Form 15G format which I have made. If you want to download, you can download it for free of cost from the below video description. You can just enter your details and take a printout. When you take a printout, you will not see all the background colors. You will take a printout of the clean Form 15G. After taking the printout, sign the document. Here you have to put 2 signatures and you can scan this Form 15G and you have to upload while submitting Form 19. Remember, even though you are not filling the Part 2, but still you have to take a scan copy of the Part 2 and you have to upload both Part 1 and Part 2. That means both 2 pages. And if you want to download the regular PDF format, I will also give that link. Let's see how to fill the Form 15G. In field number 1, write your name. The name should match with your PAN and also the EPF account. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write the status as individual. In field number 4, write the previous year. Previous year means the financial year. Currently, we are in the financial year of 2024 to 2025. If you are withdrawing your PF amount before 31 March 2025, then the financial year, that means the previous year, is 2024 to 2025. And in field number 5, write residential status as Indian. From field number 6 to field number 12, write your current residential address details. In field number 13, write your email ID. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed your income tax returns for any previous financial year, then you have to tick S and you have to mention the assessment year. If you didn't file any ITR returns, then check this box no and you don't need to write any assessment year. In field number 16, you have to mention the PF amount that you are withdrawing. For that, you can download your PF passbook and there you can see the PF amount. And there is no need to include pension amount. Form 15G is only required for the PF amount. In field number 17, here you can see estimated total income for the previous year, in which income mentioned in column 16 to be included. Here you have to include your estimated annual income plus the EPF amount which you have written in the field number 16. Suppose your estimated annual income is 1,50,000 rupees in the financial year 2024 to 2025 plus the PF amount is 70,000. So here I have written 2,20,000 rupees. But remember, if your annual total income is above 2,50,000 rupees, then you are not eligible to submit Form 15G. In that case, you have to reduce the net taxable income below 2,50,000 rupees by using all the income tax allowances. For that, you have to file the ITR returns. If you are going to file ITR returns as per the new tax regime, then the maximum amount is 3 lakhs. Up to 3 lakhs, you don't need to file ITR returns. So what if your annual income is about 2,50,000 rupees including the PF amount? In that case, it is better to transfer your EPF amount whenever you join the new job, or you can withdraw EPF advance amount in case of any emergencies. In field number 18, if you have submitted any previous Form 15Gs for PF withdrawal or fixed deposits, in that case you have to mention those details. Here you have to enter the number of Form 15Gs you have submitted in the previous financial year and the amount for which you have submitted the Form 15G. In field number 19, you have to write your PF account details. Under serial number, write 1. Under identification number, write your AN number. Under nature of income, write EPF withdrawal. And the section is 192A. Here you have to mention the EPF amount that you have mentioned in the field number 16. In signature field, you have to put your signature. Next, come to the declaration or verification part. Here, write your name as per the EPF records, and here you can see previous year ending on. See, this financial year 2024 to 2025 will end on 31 March 2025. So you have to write 31 March 2025. Again, I am telling that if you are withdrawing your EPF amount before 31 March 2025, you can copy all these details. That means the previous year and assessment year details. You can copy these details and write exactly on your Form 15G. Next, come to the assessment year. Assessment year means the year followed by the financial year. So the assessment year will become 2025 to 2026. Next, you have to write same details again. Here you can see the previous year ending on is 31 March 2025 and the year followed by the financial year is the assessment year. It is 2025 to 2026. Here write the place in which you are living and the date on which you are submitting Form 15G. And here again you need to put your signature. And there is no need to fill the part 2. It will be filled by the EPFO officer. Once you fill this Form 15G, take a printout and put your signatures and take a scan copies and scan both 2 pages and you can upload. This is how to fill Form 15G for EPF withdrawal. Still, if you have any questions, ask them in below comment section.